Morning, dear children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
All of you be attentive here. Okay, very attentive in the class. Okay. How is this lesson, Harappan?
Ma'am, very good lesson.
Very good lesson. Do you like history?
No.
In the last class, we have discussed about Harappan houses, drainage system, and streets, right?
Streets.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody, can you give me a brief summary of last class houses? About the houses. Okay. Okay, Ashish. Good.
Ma'am, houses were either one or two stories high. Rooms built around a courtyard.
Yes.
Most houses had a separated bathing area.
Yes.
Some had wells to supply water.
Yeah,
Some
some
houses
had wells to supply water. Okay, very good. Then, who will explain about drainage system in Harappan cities?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yes, Ananta Krishna.
Ma'am,
yes.
can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the drainage systems, many of the cities had covered drainage system.
Yes, yes. It's an important point. Cities had covered drain system, right?
Yes, ma'am. The drainage system were in straight lines.
Yes. They laid out in straight line.
Straight lines. Each drain had a gentle slope so that the water could flow through it. Drains in houses were connected to those on the streets, and
Yes.
smaller drains led into the bigger one.
Yes.
These drains were covered. Inspection holes were provided at intervals to clean them.
Inspection halls were there. You have to remember 5 points when we talk about drainage system in Harappa, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And first one,
Covered drainage
yeah,
system.
each cities had covered drainage system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, each cities had
Yes,
drainage system. It was covered.
Covered.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
What's
then
the
the
second
drainage
point?
system were straight.
Yeah, they laid
Drainage
out
system.
in straight
Laid out.
line. That's the second point. Laid out in straight line.
lines.
Okay.
Then
Then third one.
The drainage system had a gentle slope.
Yeah,
Gentle
drain
slope.
had gentle slope, so water could flow
that water
very
could
easily
flow.
through it, right? Okay, good. Then fourth point,
The
drains
smaller
in the houses connected with
To the
drains on the streets, right? This is the
Yes.
fourth point. Then fifth point,
there were inspection holes.
yeah, inspection halls.
Inspection holes.
What was the use of inspection halls?
For cleaning.
So that drains could be cleaned, right? Okay, very good. Very good. I hope all of you have understood drains. Then streets. Then when they constructed houses, streets, and drain at a time, right?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
time.
In the same time.
Ma'am, they were well planned.
Yeah, they were well planned. The cities, streets, houses were well planned. That's why I told you in our country, still some places without proper toilet facilities, without proper disposal, without proper waste disposal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but think about this a city
Yes, ma'am.
5,000 around 5,000 years ago, right? Exactly 4,700 years ago. Well planned city, well planned drainage, well planned houses, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, we are going to discuss about two places besides Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Harappa, this was the first city to be discovered. Right? Harappa, it was the first city to be discovered, right? Then archaeologists have found or discovered similar objects from nearby sites or nearby places, right? All these together were described as Harappan civilization. We use the word Harappan civilization or culture, right? Harappan culture or civilization. What is civilization? What is the meaning of civilization?
Ma'am, like the settlement or something like that?
Civilized.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Connection problem only.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, go. Ma'am.
Sorry, dear children, for the interruption. This board has. Okay. 1 second. Civilization, right? Civilization means, in simple word, we can say it's a society with some development, right? Society with some development, well-developed cities, government, and with all facilities, right? Then we are talking about Harappan civilization. In Harappan civilization, there were many cities, well-developed cities like Mohenjo-daro and all, right? And besides Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, there were some cities, well-developed cities. They were Lothal and Kalibangan. Kalibangan and Lothal, right? Lothal presently in Gujarat and Kalibangan in Rajasthan. I'll show you what is special about these two places. Okay, look at this map. Okay, this Harappan civilization, it is also known as Indus Valley civilization. When you search Google, you will find Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization, right? Why it is called Indus Valley civilization? Because Harappan cities were developed near the river Indus. It's flowing through this way, river Indus. That's why the cities developed around this river were called Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are same, Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. And look at this map, two cities you can see, Harappa, Mehergarh, Mohenjo-daro. Okay, all these cities. Then Lothal, you can see here Lothal, and this is Rajasthan. Here you can see Kalibangan, right? All these were part of Harappan civilization. But Lothal and Kalibangan, present day, it is in India,
ma'am.
right? Rajasthan and Gujarat. But it was part, as you know, it was this part of west and northwest part of our country was separated during partition, right? Yeah. Now, Lothal and Kalibangan, part of India, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Mehergarh, all are present day in Pakistan. So, these you can see in pink color.
Yes, ma'am.
Shows Harappan cities or Harappan civilization or Indus Valley. In between, above Harappa, you can see a name Indus.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? It shows the flow of Indus River. It is called Sindhu in Sanskrit.
Yes, ma'am.
We have learned it in the first chapter. Yes. Okay. How did our country got name? How did our country get name India? Right? When we
Yes,
discussed that, the name derived from.
Ma'am,
this, Eric.
that pink part, right? That full part is the Harappan civilization.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Then I told you,
Ma'am.
other than this Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, there were some places known as Lothal and Kalibangan.
Ma'am, can you repeat the name? Cali.
Yes, this one. Kalibangan and Lothal. Kalibangan, present day, it is in Rajasthan, and Lothal in Gujarat. Note down this. Because in your textbook, you can see a map. Second page of this chapter. Yeah. In that, you can see Lothal and Kalibangan, right? Kalibangan, yeah. In Kalibangan in Rajasthan and Lothal in Gujarat. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And these two cities were famous for fire altars.
Ma'am,
Fire altars.
ma'am, what is the meaning of altars?
Yeah. Altars, all of you know altars, right? All of you have seen fire altars. Altars, you know, it's a worshipping place or prayer place. Okay, I'll show you what it is. You might have seen this once. This is an example of fire altar, right? Where we offer, we used to offer something value to our god deity, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a fireplace. It's a place, altars. It's a place, right? Upon which and offers are burned. This is actually mainly Hindus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is present in many of the pujas and all.
Yes. Many of the pujas. But we use this word in general, fire altars, as a prayer place,
Yes, ma'am.
worshipping place. Right? Fire altars were found in Kalibangan and Lothal.
Lothal.
Kalibangan presently in Rajasthan and Lothal presently in Gujarat.
Gujarat.
So archaeologists have found remains of or evidences of fire altars from Kalibangan and Lothal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The second point were sacrifices, and in same places in this fire altars where sacrifices may have been performed, right? What is sacrifices?
Ma'am, like-
Sacrifice.
Ma'am, we sacrifice things and many other things in what do we say? Like in a cultural or a religious.
Function, religious ritual, right? Okay, that means it's an offering, act of offering something value to God, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's sacrifice. Okay, the sacrifices were performed in these places, Kalibangan and Lothal.
Ma'am, what kind of sacrifices were?
Religious sacrifices. There was different sacrifices, whether act of killing animals to deity. You might have seen in some movies, or you might have read in
Yes, ma'am.
stories, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sacrifice or slaughtering of animals, act of slaughtering of animals as an offering to God. Then, but here it's not act of killing, something valued to God.
Ma'am, like in olden kingdoms and all, when the king dies, they sacrifice like maids and cooks and all, like for the king in the afterlife. Like,
Oh,
they
okay.
believe like that.
Yeah, because they believed in rebirth, life after death.
Yes, ma'am.
Then see this picture. The first picture shows it was the remains of fire altars of Harappan city, Harappan civilization. It was a part of Harappan civilization. It is the remains of fire altars. There they conducted pujas and all, offerings to God. They give up something valued to God, right? This is the remains of their fire altars.
Ma'am, that whole thing is fire altars.
Oh, yes, this one, this first picture. Okay. So, Kalibangan and Lothal, from Kalibangan and Lothal, archaeologists have found remains of fire altars. And what was the use of fire altar? Where sacrifices have been performed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. The next one, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It was Lothal and famous for storehouses. When we discuss about Harappan cities, we saw Harappan cities were divided into two parts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Citadel and
Lower town.
Lower town.
then citadel consists of houses, right? Citadel consists of main buildings, some famous buildings,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
granaries, right? Granaries means storehouses.
Yes, ma'am.
Second picture shows what it shows. Second picture, it is the remains of storehouses in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro.
What is storehouses?
Where they store their things, seeds,
Like
crops.
Ma'am, they stored things in
Like
the
grains.
so that
Yeah, the grains they stored. Yes, grains they stored, right?
Ma'am, did they store did they make a storehouses in citadels because citadels are in a higher
Raised
level?
platform, right? It was built in raised platform. That's why I told you in the beginning, if they were flat, people could come to citadel to be safe, right?
Ma'am, so that's why they kept
Yeah,
store.
all important buildings like this granaries and some offices, right? All these were built in citadel
Okay, ma'am.
because it was in raised platform.
Okay, ma'am.
Then it consists of only some important buildings.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? There's 2 points. Clear? Kalibangan and Lothal. These were 2 important cities in Harappan. This was part of Harappan civilization, or these were 2 important cities in Harappan civilization, Lothal and Kalibangan. And Kalibangan and Lothal were famous for fire altars, where sacrifices may have performed.
been
Right?
performed.
Yes. Then Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Lothal had many storehouses. Second picture is the remains of storehouses. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we will be discussing about life in the city. Life in the city. Because I'm taking class, I'm explaining all this according to the subheadings in your textbook. Okay, then it will be easy because one chapter means how many subheadings are there in one chapter? Many.
Yes, ma'am.
When I explain it according to this, according to the textbook heading, it will be easy for you. Next topic is life in the city. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here we will be discussing about their city and about people who lived in the city.
Ma'am, their lifestyle.
Yeah, their lifestyle and all. Okay. What the works in which they engage. Okay. Then power in the city was controlled by 3 group of people. Harappan cities. Power in Harappan cities were controlled by 3 groups of people. Let us see who were they. Okay. Then you can see a picture on the slide, right? What do you understand from this picture? This picture.
Ma'am, that they were engaged in many things and it was busy, like
yes,
a busy market.
Busy market, right? Really. Harappan city was a very busy place because all people engage in one or other, some or other activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Very active people. And so Harappan city was a busy place. And I told you, power of the city was controlled by 3 group of people, right? First group, rulers.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what was the duty of, or what were the duties of rulers?
Ma'am, they
They planned the construction of special buildings. In all pictures, in all slides, I have showed you some pictures of their houses, right? City and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
a lot of buildings were there. So rulers, they planned the construction of special buildings.
Buildings. Yes, ma'am.
Then second duty was they send their people, they send their servants and people to other places, other part of the country. For what? To collect
And
materials. Yeah, to get things. Things means metals, precious stones, gold, and other things.
ma'am, to get things that was not available in their society.
That was not available in their place, right? That was not available in Harappan cities. So they sent people to other places or distant places or to other part of the country to get things. Things means metals, precious stones, and other things they wanted for the construction of buildings, right? Then at the same time, they have kept some precious things. They have kept gold. They have kept ornaments of gold and gold, silver, and they have kept precious stones for themselves, right? And they collected things for the construction of buildings, and they kept something for themselves. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first group, they were rulers. Then second group were scribes. Scribes. Second group were called scribes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who were scribes? Scribes
People
were
who
people
write.
who know how to write. How to write. That means, what is the meaning of the sentence? There were a group of people called scribes. They were able to, or they knew how to write.
Right.
Ma'am, they were
They were educated.
educated.
Yeah, they were
Educated.
educated. Means a group of people were educated, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only for the important work.
Yes, yes. And what was important work of scribes? They prepared seal.
And what is seal?
Seal, have you
That is-
seen seal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Seal is a device. You might have seen school seal, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, like
Yeah.
it is filled with ink and it has the sign of the
Yes,
school.
yes, yes. Sign of or name of a school, right? Actually, it is a device used to make impression on paper, clay, or wax. So this is a seal. You might have seen this type of seal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
With
ma'am.
this, with the help of this, we can make impression on paper, right? Like this.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then they use seal. Then I'll tell you for what purpose or what were the uses of seal in Harappan cities. Right? I'll explain it. Okay. Who prepared seal?
Ma'am, the educated people called it scribes.
Scribe. Scribes, not scripts, scribes.
Right.
Scribes.
Right.
Scribes were people who know how to write, and
Right.
they know how to write. That's why they prepared seals.
Ma'am, so
Seal is a device to make impression on paper, clay, or some other objects. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Write
Ma'am,
or learn device to make impression on paper or clay.
ma'am, so does that mean that education was not available to other people except the scribes?
Educated people were there, but not all people were educated, right? Well, that we understand from the sentence. A group of people were there, they were able to write or they knew how to write. That means other people were not knowing about writing and all.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Then third group of people were common people, craft person, men, women, and children. Then who is craft person?
Ma'am, people who make craft items like
Yeah,
pots.
who make things by hand, right? People who
Yes,
make
ma'am.
things by hand, we call them craft person or
Ma'am,
craftsman.
like pots,
Yeah,
pots,
like pots.
paintings,
Yes.
etc.
Yes. So craft person, men, women, and children were there in Harappan society, in city. These were the three group of people. One common people, ordinary people, then scribes were there, and rulers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, who will tell me? Who will explain about life in city
Ma'am,
and
can I
three
say,
group
ma'am?
of
Ma'am,
people?
can I?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 second, I'll call Malavika. Malavika, turn on your video. Malavika. No response. Francis? No, Emil?
Yes, ma'am.
Life in the city. We discussed about 3 group of people, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Emil.
Yes, ma'am.
Life in the city.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the life in a city, in there was very busy place,
Yes.
and only 3 people control that city. The first people who control the city was rulers. They planned the construction of special buildings and sent people to distant places to get metals, precious stones, and other things they wanted.
Yes.
And the second people were
And they
scribes.
also kept at the same, they kept something for themselves, right? They
Okay, ma'am.
kept all these things what they wanted there, and they kept something. Something means they used ornaments of, or they have kept ornaments of gold, silver, and it's made of precious stones, right? That's, they kept for themselves, and they collected things for the
Okay.
construction of buildings also.
Okay, ma'am. The second group of people were scribes.
Yes.
The scribes people who knew how to write and helped prepare the seal.
Yeah, they prepared seal. I hope you understood what is the meaning of seal, right? Seal is a
Yes, ma'am.
device used to make impression on paper, clay, or wax. Actually, yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am. And the third group of people were craft persons, men, women, and children.
Not women's, women.
Women.
Women is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
plural, right? Plural, but women.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what was this craft person men did in Harappan cities? Okay, they have made many things, right? From their home and from their workshop, right? Because they were craft people and they made a lot of things by hand. Okay, that's why I told you Harappan city was a busy place. People and almost all people engage in some activities. Yeah, that I'll show you one picture, right? From that picture, all of you
Yes, ma'am.
understood, right? Okay, it was a very busy place. Then they engage in some works. Then archaeologists have found evidences of toys from Harappan cities. Evidences of toys. Toys means they use terracotta
Yes, ma'am.
making toys.
Yes, ma'am.
What is terracotta? Have you seen terracotta?
Yes, ma'am. It is like you said, clay, right?
Yeah,
From
it's a
the
type
mud.
of clay. It's a fired clay. It's a type of clay, and it's hard. It's a type of clay we use for making now. Now we are using it for making jewelry.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have you
Ma'am.
seen terracotta?
Ma'am,
ornament?
my mother used to make it,
Ah,
and she
yes.
sold it also.
Yes, yes. Okay, good, good.
Ma'am, like there is some kind they bake it or something like.
Yeah, this one is also fired clay,
Yes.
Ma'am,
red brownish color.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, but little heavy, right? You can make earrings, necklace, and okay, you might have seen terracotta
Yes,
ornaments,
ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Then Harappans used terracotta for making toys for children. So archaeologists have found remains of toys. It shows children must have played with toys, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Toys made of terracotta. Clear? This is about life in the city. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here we are talking about, we discussed about 3 group of people. First one, rulers. They engage or they plan construction of special buildings, and they sent people to distant places, to other parts of the country, for collecting metal, for collecting materials like metals, precious stones, etc. Right? And they have kept something for themselves. Something means they have kept ornaments of gold, silver, and precious stones for themselves. Second group of people were tribes. Tribes know how to write, and they prepared seal. Seal was a part of Harappan civilization. Okay. And seal, it is a device used to make impression on paper, clay, or wax. Then third group of people were craft people, men, children, and they engage in some activities. And last and finally, we talked about archaeologists have found out evidences of toys which were made of terracotta.
Ma'am, like some civilizations they made toys and things out of wood, right? Like by scraping it
Yes. But here they use terracotta.
terracotta.
That's why I told you Harappan civilization, it was a well advanced civilization.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at when we discuss about their construction pattern, right? Buildings, walls, and they use compound walls. All these were unique to Harappan cities. We could not find this much civilized cities in olden period or in any other places. But
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these were unique to Harappan cities, Harappan civilization. And each houses had bathing area and separate bathing area, and each houses had wells to supply water, right?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
this shows they were well advanced, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Well planned, cities, streets, drains, were well advanced, well constructed.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All these were unique to Harappan civilization or Harappan culture.
Culture.
Did you all understand life in the city?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to our next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic is about new craft in the city. New craft in the city. Archaeologists have found many evidences or remains of many things from Harappan cities, right? All this shows Harappan people used many things, many objects, right? I'll show you some objects archaeologists have found out from Harappan sites. Okay, just see this, have a look. See, all these things were found out from Harappan site. I'll tell you, I'll explain what it is. Right? All these were the remains of Harappan cities. Okay.
Ma'am, did they make jewelry out of gold?
Yes. Okay. And this, from this, what we understand, they use a lot of things, right? Or many objects were made.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? They use
Ma'am, many objects we use in modern day.
Yes. Okay. Let us see a new craft in the city. Okay. And I told you, they made many objects, right? For that, they use stone, shell, and metals. That means they were familiar with all metals, gold, silver, bronze, copper, etc. All these are metals, right? Harappan people were familiar with all these metals. 4,700 years ago, they were familiar with all these metals, and they made things out of stone. They used shell and they used metals for making objects. And they use copper, bronze, and other metals for making weapons and vessels. See their vessels, cooking vessels, plate.
Ma'am, it is similar to ours.
Yes, yes, exactly. And then they use copper and bronze for weapon. This is the picture of weapon. They use blades for cutting. You know how what all purpose they used weapons, tools
And
for
hunting
cutting.
animals.
Yes,
And hunting.
cutting animals, not for hunting. They were not hunters and gatherers. They had a settled life, but they used some weapon. They use this metals for making some tools, some weapons,
Ma'am,
blade, knife.
ma'am, did they farm and like grow make farm and did they do farming and
Yes, yes, yes.
ma'am, did they also like grow animals?
Yeah, that I'll tell you. Next class, it's coming. They engage in agriculture. Many evidences were there. That is next part. I'll explain it. Okay. And they reared animals. Actually, Harappan civilization is exactly like our modern society. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So they use many objects made of shell. They use metal, shell, stones for making it, right? And
They
they
were
use
familiar-
copper and bronze for making weapons and vessel, vessel and ornaments. And they use gold. It's an important point, right? They use gold for making ornaments and vessels. They used gold vessels, gold pots, gold plates.
From that time itself, they started heating the gold and
Yes,
molding
they
it.
started. Yes, yes. That's why I told you very advanced, very civilized.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see a picture of ornaments, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the ornaments, they use this ornament, and this is made up of a precious stone. And you can see weight, stone weight. Have you seen weight, stone weight? I'll explain what it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the points come under new craft in the city. Objects, many objects they use it was made up of stone, shell, then they use metals, right?
Metals.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Additional topics I have covered. It's the time to wind up the class. That's why I stopped. Okay, I'll explain the same in the next class, craft in the city. Okay, some more points are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
very
you, ma'am.
much. See
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you
you,
in the
ma'am.
next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.